You want to ship your app fast. The security reviews slows everything down, and so you skip them. That's exactly how breaches happen. DevSecOps fixes this without slowing you down. In next 2 minutes, you will know exactly how it works. DevSecOps stands for Development, Security, and Operations merged into one workflow. The core idea is called shift left. In traditional dev, security is a final gate before release. So build everything fast and audit at the end. Shift left means the security moves into every stages of development. Developer writes secure code from the day one. Security tools runs inside your CI pipeline, not after it. So fixing these vulnerabilities when they cost minutes and not at it costs like months. Here is how a security DevSecOps pipeline actually look like. Stage 1 for coding. Static analysis tools scans your code as you type. In a build stage, dependency checkers which flags your CVEs in your packages. In your test stage, dynamic security scans run automatically on every build. In your deployment stage, infrastructure configs are validated before everything goes live. So security is everywhere in the pipeline, and it's not a bottleneck at the end of your pipeline. Here is your rule. Security review only at the end of release. You're already too late. Bugs will cost like 10x more to fix after you shipping. Security should be embedded at every stage. That's DevSecOps. And if you are shipping the code, start with one automated scan in your CI today, and that's enough to get begin. So let's get started on it today itself. DevSecOps is not a tool. It's an actually cultural shift that starts with one automated check, and you bring security tools into your all stages. So what security tool are you using, or your team is already using it? Drop it in the comment section. I'm happy to know your feedback. If you like this video and saved some time for you, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.